guys go with the blues here with me and whip out my favorite pizza of all time. Soupy from Westerly, Rhode Island. It's what is that? I think the kids when they go off to kindergarten, I think they tie a little bit of string with some of that Soppressata around their neck. Good luck. Ward off all the evil spirits. But it's so good. And then you slice it super thin on the slicer machine. And then it gets nice and crisp. We do it with onion, a little bit of spinach, a little bit extra garlic. I love it. Too bad I can't have it. Maybe just like a half of one slice. Again, I'm on that low carb kick.
I like to take the sauce all the way to the edge. Sprinkle some parm on there. And before I put the cheese on, I'm going to add spinach.
Is it dirty, Bill?
Just give it a rough chop. I want to put it under the cheese so it doesn't burn.
Yeah, we go real light on the blended cheese and heavy on the Parmesan. New Haven style. Real light, baby.
I just sliced all this fresh. And excuse me while I grab the onions. Said heavy, right?
Feeling all right, Ty? You feeling all right?
In we go.
That's
Yummy.
nice looking dough. That was made last Saturday.
Yeah.
Put me one of those pieces.
There she is.
Big. Slash. We do a little taste test here. Woo!
How's that?
Somebody told me how I can eat hot food is first you gotta keep breathing in and out of your mouth, right? I mean, restaurant business, we eat on the run. but the flavors are so good that all the flavors go together. The sauce, light cheese, Parmesan, got a sweetness from the sauce. You got the hot from the soupy meat. Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
The best. Cooking with the Blues. Daddy Jack's. We got some other friends in the house coming up. All right, welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. We got Steve and Cheryl from Albany, New York. A great restaurant town, Albany, New York. I've been through there a few times. On the way up to the Lakes region. And we looked at a restaurant up there years ago. I was really impressed with the dining scene up there and everything. And going to Foxwood, man, going to win the big tournament. playing that Hold'em, hopefully, Texas Hold'em, and retired and enjoying himself. And I hope you get to retire soon. And have plenty of time to enjoy it. That's what I'm hoping to do too. Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues.
Thank you.
All right.